I'm Mia.
I'm Anja.
And our building is Knudsen and all of its 3 floors, and the Newman Center Parking Garage behind it and its 4 floors.
So Knudsen has 3 floors. There's an elevator, an inside staircase, and an outside staircase, and all of them go to all the floors. We're not counting passing the floors on the outside stairs as part of the vertices because they're not inside the building. There's also a door between the parking garage and Knudsen on floor 2 of both of them. The parking garage has 4 floors which are connected by 2 sets of stairs, an elevator, and we're counting the parking garage itself as a giant set of stairs. There are 2 entrances into the parking garage, one on level 1 and one on level 2, and there's a front entrance to Knudsen as well as entrances on all of the floors via the outside staircase. Our graph has 2 odd degrees. We have an odd degree at Knudsen level 1 and parking garage level 2 where there's a degree 13, and at Knudsen level 1 there's a degree 7. So we're going to start our graph at the degree 13 and go from parking garage level 2 to parking garage level 3 to level 4, and then we'll go back from level 4 to level 3 and then back again and back again, where we'll cut from parking garage level 2 to Knudsen level 3. And then we have some connections between Knudsen 3 and Knudsen 2, and we'll use those up to isolate that part of the graph. Then we'll go from Knudsen level 2 back to parking garage level 2, where we have 2 connections. We'll use those up. And now we're going to use the connections between Knudsen 1 and Knudsen 2. There's 3 of those. So we use those up and ended up back on Knudsen 1, where we'll go from Knudsen level 1 back to parking garage level 2, and then back to Knudsen level 1. Then we'll go from Knudsen 1 to parking garage 1 one final time. And then we'll go from parking garage 1 to parking garage 2, back up, back down again, back up, and we finish that off, and we'll finish up by going from parking garage 1 to Knudsen 1 and finish up on our degree 7.
In order to make our Euler walk and Euler circuit, all we would have to do is add one more line between parking garage level 2 and Knudsen level 1.
And that could either be another way from the front of the building to the side entrance, or the side of Knudsen to the side of the parking garage. Yep. Mm-hmm. And that changes it from a degree 7 to a degree 8 and a degree 13 to a degree 14. So we're starting our walk on level 2 of the parking garage, and then we're going to take the back stairs up to levels 3 and 4. Here's level 3. We're going to keep taking the stairs. Here we are on the roof. Now we're going to walk down the parking garage as if it were a set of stairs. We're back on level 3. And now we're back on level 2. And we're going to take the stairs, the other stairs. And we're back on level 4. Time to take the elevator down to 2 again. And now we're on level 2, and we're going to take level 2 through that door back over to Knudsen to deal with floors 3 and 2. Now we're going up the outside stairs to level 3. And now we're on level 3. Down to level 2. And now we're going to take these stairs back up. Now we're back at the outside stairs. And now we're going back down to level 2. And And now the door across to the parking garage. So then we were back on level 2 of the parking garage, and we took the outside stairs to level 2, and then we took the outside stairs again to level 1, which is an entrance that we don't have access to, and then we walked from the basement, or the first floor, to the main stairs up to the second floor. Okay, so we just took the stairs up, and now we're going to take the elevator back down. And now we're going back down to 1, so that we can make our way back to parking garage level 2 from the front door this time. So now we're going back to the parking garage from the front door to the side entrance. So now we've gone from level 2. Oh, you can't see that, but it says level 2. Back to the other level 1 this time. So we would be going through this door if we could. So now technically we're on level 1. Let's fast forward. And here we are on floor 1 on the other side of the door. So now we're going back at the front door. And here we are back at level 1 of the parking garage. Let's start with this staircase. So we're on level 2, and now we are going to walk, like this is a staircase, down, back to level 1. And now we're back on level 1. And now we're back where the elevators and stairs are. We're going to take the elevator up and the stairs down. And now taking the stairs back downstairs. Back on level 1. And back down to level 1. Hi! And that is our Euler walk.
From doing this project, I learned that it's actually kind of easy to apply math to real life. I never thought of the fact that any building that I go to in the school could be a graph, and that there are connections and different ways to travel through it. So I think the real world application of this is what I learned. Yeah, and I guess that I just learned that even in a smallish looking building, you can end up walking quite a long ways.
And after editing this video and looking back, there's actually another set of edges from parking garage level 1 to all of the floors of Knudsen if you consider the outside staircase, because we only considered the outside staircase from level 2 of the parking garage. So it's even more complicated than we already thought. So for those of you who want to see what we're doing on a diagram sort of situation, here's what we got going on here. So we started here at parking garage level 2, where there are 13 different options, and we went and we took the back stairs here, and then we walked from here back down to here, and then we were back on level 2, and then we took the front stairs up, and then we took the elevator back down to level 2. And that eliminated both of these vertexes on parking garage level 4 and level 3. And then we took parking garage level 2 to level 3 via the outside staircase. And then from there, we took the elevator down to 2, and then we took the stairs up to 3, and then we took the outside stairs back down again to level 2. And now we've eliminated edge number 3 at Knudsen. We took the outside connecting door between the buildings from 2 to the other 2. And then we took parking garage level 2. We went around to the outside staircase and we went in from 2 to level 2. And then we went and we took the outside staircase again from level 2 to level 1. And then we are on level 1 where we took the stairs. Then we took the elevator. And now we're at level 1 and we've eliminated all of Knudsen level 2. Now we're left with this triangle. So then we're at level 1 and we took the front door of the parking garage and we went here to parking garage level 2. And then we are at parking garage level 2 and we took parking garage level 2 back to the outside staircase, the door which we cannot open from the outside. And then we're back at level 1 and we took the front door to parking garage level 1, which is the side that we did not consider for the other 2 vertices because they could have gone to the front door of parking garage level 1 to the staircase, which we did not consider, which would have screwed up the whole graph, so it's a good thing that we didn't consider it. Anyways, we are at parking garage level 1. Then we have all those connections there. We've got the front staircase, the back staircase, walking, then the elevator. That's not the order we used, but that's generally all we have. And that eliminates this last edge. Now we're down to parking garage level 1 to Knudsen level 1. And now we take parking garage level 1 out that door to the downstairs entrance from the outside stairs to level 1. And that is our Euler walk.